Welcome to Netway Solutions. Today, we'll be unboxing and setting up the Zebra desktop printer, the ZD421. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Inside the box, we have a Zebra ZD421 printer, a USB Type A to Type B cable for connecting to a PC, power adapter, and European power cable. A UK power cable, and spindles for the ribbon and label rolls. On the top of the printer, you'll find the power button to turn it on, a pause button to pause printing, a feed button for advancing labels, a cancel button to stop printing, and indicator lights above the buttons. Now, let's check out the various ports located at the back of the printer. The first port on the left is an Ethernet port for connecting to a local network to print from a PC. Next is a USB Type B port for connecting to a PC with a cable, followed by a USB Type A port for connecting a storage device. Finally, there's the power port for connecting the power adapter. To open the printer, the yellow latches on both sides of the printer should be pulled forward. Once you open the printer, this is how it looks. This is where you'll add the ribbon roll and the label roll. To insert the label roll, pull the yellow roll holder to the side and place the roll inside, ensuring the paper feeds out from beneath the yellow holder. Now, let's add the ribbon roll to the printer. First, stretch the two side rolls of the ribbon and insert it using the holder below the case. Rotate it into place, then stretch the ribbon and attach the other side to the yellow roller above. Finally, close the case. This is how you unbox and set up the Zebra ZD421 desktop printer. For more information, please visit netwaysol.com.
Ask for free demo, consultancy. Our experts are all yours for free.